Nutraceuticals, which are bioactive compounds offering health benefits beyond basic nutrition, are increasingly being used in dairy farming to improve animal health, enhance milk production, and promote sustainability. These supplements include vitamins, minerals, amino acids, probiotics, and plant-based compounds that support the overall well-being of dairy cattle. With growing concerns over antibiotic resistance, climate change, and consumer demand for high-quality dairy products, nutraceuticals are emerging as a crucial component in modern dairy farming. Nutraceuticals play a vital role in boosting dairy cow health and performance. Essential vitamins such as vitamin E act as antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and improve immune function. This, in turn, helps lower somatic cell counts in milk, reducing the risk of mastitis. Similarly, yeast-based probiotics enhance gut health, increasing nutrient absorption and overall feed efficiency. By incorporating nutraceuticals into daily feeding practices, farmers can ensure that their cows maintain optimal health, especially during critical stages like lactation and reproduction. A well-functioning rumen is essential for nutrient digestion and milk production. Nutraceuticals such as rumen-protected amino acids and pH stabilizers help maintain a balanced microbial population in the rumen, preventing digestive disorders and improving feed conversion efficiency. This not only boosts milk yield, but also reduces methane emissions, supporting sustainable dairy farming practices. Proper rumen function ensures that cows extract the maximum nutritional value from their diet, reducing overall feed costs for farmers. One of the biggest challenges in dairy farming is the overuse of antibiotics, which can lead to antimicrobial resistance. Nutraceuticals, particularly probiotics and prebiotics, offer a natural alternative by promoting beneficial gut bacteria that enhance immunity and prevent infections. By adopting a nutraceutical-based approach, farmers can significantly reduce the need for antibiotics while maintaining animal health and meeting consumer demands for antibiotic-free dairy products. A notable example of nutraceutical success is the development of Kiritan, a Sri Lankan mineral supplement designed to enhance milk production. Research has shown that Kiritan increases daily milk yield by over 20% in lactating cows, addressing common mineral deficiencies in local cattle. This highlights how region-specific nutraceutical solutions can improve dairy farm productivity and profitability. Nutraceuticals offer a promising solution to many challenges faced in modern dairy farming. By improving animal health, enhancing rumen function, and reducing antibiotic reliance, these bioactive compounds contribute to more sustainable and efficient dairy production. As the demand for high-quality milk continues to rise, integrating nutraceuticals into dairy farming practices will be essential in ensuring the long-term success of the industry.